again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tip report for Kenny in Georgia on the Stryker 497. Kenny got it ready to go. Got some monster audio here, tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator. Got you an extra power cord to come your way, as well as the Stryker SR-497HPC trucker antenna. So let's just get right to it, Kenny. If you watch my videos, you know I set these up with our power all the way down 3 watts. That we have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. And with the 250 watt slug, hello. See, it's doing 125, 130 watts. Roll it up. There is a 30 watt carrier. Hello. Still doing 125. Show you your average. Hello, audio. About 45 watts of average right there. This thing's ready to go. It's got some monster audio, Kenny. I hope you enjoy it. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.
Get your Truckrise tuned today. Truckrise. Get wise and get Truckrise today.